I've tasted it and I love it. You guys cannot hesitate. You have to try this recipe. It tastes like ice cream. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel once again. I'd like to thank everybody for their support and for watching my videos. And for today I have prepared something really special. I have prepared a mixed berry fool. And let's go over the ingredients. For this recipe you will simply need strawberries, sugar, blueberries and raspberries, lemon juice, heavy cream, salt, and mint for decoration. You are going to love this recipe. It is rich in flavor and it is fluffy. So now that we've seen all of our ingredients, let's get started. Yay! To get started, we are going to go ahead and put our strawberries in our bowl. And to that, we're going to add our sugar. Just gently sprinkle it around. And then we are going to take a fork and mash them together. The whole purpose on doing this is to go ahead and soften our strawberries in a way that we can macerate them with the sugar, and it'll slowly start turning sort of like a jelly consistency. Not so much that it's going to become thick, but it's gonna be a little bit liquidy, but we want to go ahead and make sure all those juices are released and we get a nice sweet strawberry mixture. Now we're going to take our lemon juice and we're going to pour it over our strawberry mixture. And we're also going to take a pinch of salt and add it in there as well. So just mix around a little bit and incorporate that in there. And then we're going to take our blueberries and go ahead and add them as well. We are going to resume on our mashing session. I know this could take a little bit of muscle work. So if you want an easier option, I do not blame you. You could probably use the mixer as an option. I think it would do a good job. But as for me, I think since it's a small amount, I think I'm just going to go with a fork, since I like the technique and I like how it kind of releases all those juices and still keeps your berries in nice looking chunks. Your berry mix is ready when it looks like this. So now let's put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, our mixture has already cooled for about 15 minutes. So now let's do our heavy cream. So let's go over to our mixer. Okay, so let's bring our heavy cream over and let's pour it in our bowl, because we are actually going to go ahead and whip this. And we are going to be looking to whip it at about medium speed and until we get a firm peak. So let's just go ahead and whip this up. Okay, so now that our heavy cream is done, let's bring it over and let's put half of it into our berry bowl. For this part, we want to make sure we fold in our whipped cream into our berries. Do not mix abruptly. You want to make sure you fold it in gently. Once that's mixed in, let's go ahead and take the rest of our whipped cream and add it in there as well. And we're going to do the exact same thing. We are going to go ahead and fold the rest of the whipped cream into our mix. my god, are you guys as excited as I am? I was practically drooling while I was folding this in. So excited, guys. It looks beautiful. It looks amazing. So now we're gonna go ahead and assemble it. And for that, I have a couple of options. I have a wine glass here that I think would look amazing. And then I also have a cold brewing coffee cup. I believe it's a glass one. I thought it would look pretty good as well if you were to have one. If not, if you have anything in your kitchen that you think would look good, go ahead and try it. So it's up to you, get creative. And so yeah, let's just go ahead and assemble this. And for that, we're going to need, I've actually cut up some strawberries and I have blueberries and raspberries as well in here. And I also have some mint for decoration. We're actually gonna put it right on top and it's gonna look gorgeous. All right, so let's start. Let's go ahead and assemble our dessert. Alrighty then. Okay, so we are going to start by placing some of our beautiful looking mousse at the bottom of our glass. So just go ahead and scoop it gently. We wanna make sure everything's clean as we do it. We don't want to smudge anything on the sides. We want to do it as clean as we can. And if it happens, it's okay. Accidents happen. We just make sure to go back and wipe it down. Alright, so now we are going to take some of our strawberries and place them in there, as well as blueberries and our raspberries. And we're just trying to layer it out. We will now go back to our mousse and then do another layer of the mousse, gently placing it on top as well. So now let's go back to our berries. I'm just going to put some on the side to make sure that once this glass is filled all the way up, you can see those right in the middle. So once we do that, you can start by filling in with the rest of your berries. Now we go back to our mousse and we're just gonna go ahead and fill this bad boy up. Wow, look at how beautiful this looks. Let me turn this around for you so you can enjoy the view. This looks gorgeous. Okay, so now we're gonna take some of our mint and let's go ahead and decorate it. So just put it on top. We don't have to get too complicated, just some mint and maybe a piece of strawberry in there. And look at that, you don't need anything else. This is a piece of art by itself. Now let's put this on the side so I can show you a different way you can set this up, and that is with our coffee glass cup. So we're going to assemble this very similar to how we did the wine glass. So we're going to go ahead and do our berries at the bottom. So just put in the rest of your berries in there. We are not going to layer this, so just put your berries at the bottom of the cup, and we're going to go back to the mousse and fill this cup all the way up as well. And now let's decorate this one just like we did with the other one, but on this one I'll do a little bit different. I'll just put a piece of mint. That's it. So there you go. Take a look at that beauty. So yes, here are 2 ways you can assemble these. I know I loved them and I hope you did as well. Yay, I've tasted it and I love it. You guys cannot hesitate. You have to try this recipe. It tastes like ice cream. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this. Like I said, it's so simple. Just go ahead and try it. It tastes amazing. It looks beautiful. And it's a great way to try something new, especially this summer. It is so summery and it is so fresh. Alright, so we reached the end of the video. I hope you liked this video. Here are 2 options of how you can present it. And my one recipe that I did actually was enough for these 2. And please do not forget to subscribe. I have many more recipes that are coming up. Don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you are the first one to see when I upload a video. Thank you so much. My name is Rosanna and hope to see you next time.